Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaways, we ship out a big box of makeup to one of our lovely subscribers every single month. So if you want to be entered, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that post notification bell button. And unfortunately, this giveaway each month is only available for our US subscribers. So if you live in the US, then definitely comment done down below to be automatically entered in our giveaways. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids with some Too Faced concealer, and then I go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I set my eyelid with some translucent powder. And the palette that I used today is the BH Cosmetics Love in London palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a pretty cool tone palette, and yeah. The first shade that I went in with is the shade Big Ben, which is this really neutral light brown shade, and I grabbed a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. So this is just the background shade for the eyeshadow look, so you don't have to be too precise. And then I grabbed the shade Piccadilly, and I grabbed a defined angled brush. This one is from ColourPop, and I just put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease, creating that line of definition and depth. And I did go back into the shade Big Ben with a bigger, fluffier brush just to really diffuse that line out, but that clip is somewhere deleted, so unfortunately I do not have the clip of me blending it out. But yeah, the shade that I used all over my lid is the ColourPop Body Glitter in Star Party. And I don't know if these glitters are meant to be used on the eye, so definitely use them on your eyes at your own risk. I wouldn't recommend them if you have really sensitive eyes, but I've used them on my eyes a few times and I haven't had any sort of reaction or anything like that. I don't know if it's meant for the eye, like I said, but I received them and I started to use them on the eyes not knowing. And yeah, I really love how they look, so I think I'm going to keep using them because I don't have any type of reaction. I just try to be really careful when I'm removing the glitter so it doesn't irritate my eye. But for lashes, I used my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. If you guys don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. So if you guys want to support us, definitely check out the link in the description box down below to go to our lash page. And then I went back into the shade Piccadilly and put that all over my lower lashes. And then I went back into Big Ben just to really diffuse that lower lash line out, so it's a little bit more of a smoky, softer look. So here I'm going back into Big Ben and I'm just going to be diffusing that all over my lower lashes just to blend out the shade that we used previously. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know that there was one clip missing, but I feel like you guys would still love to see how I created this look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!